So we have here an iPhone 6. So I have time to fix it, so I'm gonna fix it in like 4 minutes maximum.
Maximum 4 minutes.
All right guys, so let's start. So we already have the screen here, and we will need to do this job. We will need some tools. We will need a Phillips screwdriver, and we will need a pentalobe screwdriver, and we will need a nice Isamo. Okay, so let me see the time now. So now it's 37:40. Okay, let's start. The first thing, we're gonna open these two screws in the bottom here, and after we open these two screws, try to organize your work, guys, if you want to do it. I will take this Isamo, and they will insert it between the glass and the frame here, and they will lift up the screen like this. And once I lift it up, I'm gonna open these 5 screws on this bracket here. Alright guys, so let's start. So we already have the screen. Someone is recording me. Try to keep these screws organized. Okay, so now we're gonna take this bracket off from here. Oh, I forget this screw. So I have to put this back.
You sell those here? Those
Okay, once it's open like this, I'm just gonna put this bracket next to the screws, and they will disconnect the cables from here with my nab.
Look.
All right.
He's fixing the phone.
And now I'm gonna connect the screen.
Okay, he's fixing it. He said he's gonna do it in 4 minutes. Okay, bye.
Alright guys, I connect the cables. So now I will turn the phone on. The battery is not charged. So I'm just gonna put this bracket back, and they will charge it later on. I'm shaking.
You on time? You had a couple seconds on.
Señor.
Okay, so after I put that screws back, now I'm just gonna put the screen like this, and I will put the 2 screws in the bottom. Et voila, it's finished. But because the battery is not charged, so I'm just gonna plug it in charge and leave it for a couple of minutes till it turns on, and they will test it with you once charged. Alright, it's 4 minutes exactly, but it's less because I start like 40 seconds after. Alright guys, if you like this video, please hit the thumbs up, and see you in the next video.